Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a contributor to your Wix site. This is incredibly useful when you're working with a team or need someone else to help manage, design, or update your website without sharing your main account password. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Make sure you're using the account that has administrative access to the site you want to share. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Wix dashboard where you can see all your sites from your Wix site selection screen. Select the website you wish to invite a collaborator to. If you manage multiple sites, take a moment to ensure you're choosing the correct one. This step is important because you'll be granting access specifically to this site, not your entire Wix account. Once you've located the right site, click on the Site Actions button. This button typically appears near your site preview or listing. When you click on it, an expanded menu will appear with several options for managing your site. From the expanded menu, click on Invite a Collaborator. This is the gateway to sharing your site with team members while maintaining control over what they can access and modify. You'll now be directed to the Invite Site Collaborator screen. From here, you'll be required to enter the email address of the collaborator you wish to invite. What's great is that you can enter up to 10 collaborators at the same time, which is perfect if you're onboarding an entire team or working with multiple freelancers after entering their emails. The next step is crucial. Choose the type of roles you want this collaborator to have access to. Under the General Roles section, you'll see options like admin/co-owner, website manager, website designer, and back office manager. Take time to read each description carefully as these roles determine what your collaborator can do on your site. For example, an admin has almost full control, while a website designer focuses mainly on the visual and layout aspects. Beyond the general roles, you can also allow access to different features such as CMS Editor and CMS Admin under CMS roles. These are particularly useful if your collaborator will be managing content like blog posts, product listings, or dynamic pages. Next, check on each role for billing, marketing, and customer management, point of sales, and payment. These specialized permissions let you fine-tune exactly what your collaborator can see and manage. For instance, you might want someone to handle marketing campaigns but not have access to billing information. If the function or position of the role your collaborator needs isn't listed among the standard options, you can also create a custom role. This gives you complete flexibility to tailor permissions to fit your unique workflow and team structure. Once you've selected and configured all the appropriate roles and permissions, simply click on Send Invite on the bottom right corner of your screen. Your collaborator will receive an email invitation to join your site with the exact permissions you've set. And that's it. You've successfully added a contributor to your Wix site, giving them the access they need while maintaining control over your website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.